www.vleague.ph. Get up to date, get informed, get to know what's happening in your favorite volleyball league. 16-11 is the count as Porpimol is all set to serve. It's in play. See with the setup job. See so far has had some excellent sets. It's just that a bit of the floor defense and some unforced errors just hurting FEU here in the opening set. And all set to serve. Nespo Miller shuffling his lineup a bit. He now has Wenet, Eulalio. Trying to get some dividends from the second unit. Oh boy, that hurts.
And we're seeing quite a few of these service errors from both squads.
Shakies for fun, family pizza. It's got to be Shakies. You know, my feeling, I've always said that, you know, a bad serve is when a relative that you don't want to see comes to a party and you're totally distracted. Oh, excellent effort that time by Diaz, but way out of her reach.
Well, sometimes, if you're the player or you're the coach, committing a service error, ito talaga yung nakakapanghinayang because you know you're in full control. Nobody's forcing you to commit that error and sending it straight into the net or sending it out even. It's such a waste.
Yep. And sometimes the body denies you when it's tired. You lose your concentration. Varga, oh, that was just well done by Rosemary Vargas. Tons of power behind that heave. FEU with 2 straight points. After that miscue earlier off the serve. Jan Manzano.
Oh,
wow.
What is happening? That's series of service errors here on the part of FEU.
Why do I call it a relative you don't want to see coming to a party? Because Nespo Millar is not looking at the player who committed the error. Everybody looking away. Para trying to make sure that that never really happened, diba? C with the set. Nagkagulo ang perpetual. Lumipad si Diaz. Hello! C says, ganito yan. This is a lively exchange here. C with the setup. Reverse set. So that is on. Jonella says, ako na! De Los Santos says, let's settle down.
Oh, good defense here from the Lady Altas.
This is the second longest rally. Oh, well done.
Sartin almost had the ball.
And Eve Sanoro Sarang taking care of easily putting that away. They are now down by just 3, 15-18. They still have the serve as C will be there in the spotlight. Diaz. Agno got to it. Giselle C dipped it over, but I think she overreached for it.
She did. She is currently backliner.
Got too excited, forgot that she was a visiting student on the back row. And she forgot.
And she can't go beyond.
Sanay na sanay siya doon sa front row kasi. See? Sana Sarang. Just spotting it. She has not connected with so much power yet. It's just been so accurate.
And that's very important. I mean, on their end at this point, what they need aren't those very powerful hits, but more of the accurate attacks. Oh, and even she had to commit that service error.
Third straight service error by FEU, and this makes it 20-16.
Seems like they're being plagued by service errors.
De Los Santos has served. Oh!
And that's, if you're a coach, that's what you don't want to see. An error followed by another error.
Eulalio took her eye off the ball. It's time to listen in to the Sermon on the Mount of Nespo Millar.
Tumas ang bola, habaan mo ang target. Pinipinipin ang katawan niya. Ganda mo lang. Lagi niyo na yan. Pakita niyo. So, patalong-talong ka na lang. Kita niya, ha?
21-16 is the count. Let's remind you about FEU. They have a new campus, and you can, if you're there studying, working that is, or live just nearby, 4 courses in business are worth considering. 836-2002, and that's the website you can visit to find out details. 21-16. De Los Santos' serve. Vargas got to it. First ball has been a problem.
It has been a problem. Most of the balls that are being received by FDU are going straight into the net. And C is just having a difficult time in setting up her place.
22-16. 3 straight points now scored by the Altas. Down the line, and Banyel finally got something to connect.
But you see, for FEU, that's the only key. You get a good service reception. C will, get a good setup there. They get a point.
Vargas all set to serve. Her team is down 17-22. Jonella. Vargas. C. Adjustment in the air. Eulalio got to it. C with a reverse set. Looked strong, but they still clambered for it. Diaz. 3 ball. C with the setup job. Power move. It stays down. Manzano got that through the block.
Take a look at that again. Through the block. Medyo malambot yung kamay ng blockers on the side of the Lady Altas.
Do you know, Anne, when you're about to fly and hit it, I'm going to power this, go through the block, or brush it off the block? Do you know right away?
You have to be able to adjust actually when you jump. Hindi siya yung pagtalon mo, you will just hammer it straight into the hands of the blockers. And that's why we're seeing a good attacker quickly adjust even if they're in midair.
In the meantime, Porpimol got a lucky break of a defensive lapse by FEU, and now it's 23-18 as Diaz is all set to serve. Not helping FEU is a spate of unforced errors, especially off the serve.
Oh, look at that. Even the service reception is really not going well for FEU.
Yep. And they're just falling apart at the seams here. And it is now set point. For Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Don't forget that. As Diaz will be serving for the first set. More poised, more confident Perpetual squad here this afternoon. Cabriana setting up Sartin, her favorite. Nicely done. I thought you that. If you had that.
Look at the save.
Cross court, in the air, Cabriana chases it down. C kept it alive. Banyel, here we go the other way. Everybody adjusting here. Oh, good block by Tubino. C reverses.
Oh. That's the kind of rally you want to see. Really quality volleyball there.
You know, you can sense the facial expression in Diaz. Kaya ko yun eh, tataas yun eh.
And she actually saw where the ball was going.
Yeah.
Yun lang eh. Hindi tama yung posisyon. It might have been too late.
Too much muscle on that one. And Sartin, she made the adjustment because na-sense niya defense move towards her familiar cross-court shot. Let's try to listen in to Mike Rafael over at Perpetual.
Kiramin mo siya. Oh, nandito makinig. Nandito si Iyo. Tapos, patatrasin mo si Iyo. 5 ha? 5 So, kahit maganda receive, susundan siya. Maganda ha? Ibibigay mo kay Iyo ang bola. Last ball to, last ball. Okay? Ha? Makinig ha? Magandang receive lang. Ha? Kuha na natin. Ito, handa ka dito outside. Okay lang, ibabaw si Iyo lang yun.
Mike Rafael with one of the most expressive ways of coaching here. It's a out-of-body experience with him. Eyebrows, everything moving.
And if only they can see you also, no? While we cover the games.
Okay. Huwag lang si Ian ang katabi ko si Ian kasi nanununtok yun eh. Musuko na si Barry Pasco doon sa kanya eh.
Pagkatabi mo siya, dami ka ng pasa after.
Buti lang, doktor yun. This is out. Oh, look at this.
Now the errors coming from the side of the Lady Altas.
Tatlong sunod-sunod na puntos na ha. 24-18 tayo kanina.
Well, right now, they just need 1 point to close out this set. Let's see if they can get a good reception.
Sartin. Agno. C. Eulalio. Diaz chases it down, and Gonella says, "I got it." Set up in the middle. C. Hello. Captain play. Free ball forthcoming. Sartin. Third longest rally.
Oh, good dig.
Portimol adjusting with some off-speed stop. Load up. Jen Manzano was caught with her hand in a big cookie jar, and Perpetual closes this out 25-21. We take a look at our Shakey's shake and play. Ito medyo nahulihan siya rito.
Excellent timing there from the blockers of Perpetual Health.
And the first set belongs to Perpetual.